Is it ready to go, or I gotta throw the mag in?
Pop a mag off and throw it. We still recording? Helps you put one in the chamber. You gotta pump the mag in all the way. There you go. All 10?
Yep. Did I put the green dot on the circle every time? Jeff, a little bit high, but look at the grouping.
Yeah, you're shooting it right a little bit.
No, those are all.
It depends on where you. Yeah.
I put that green dot right on that fucker, so this was all completely gone by that green dot.
Well, we want to shoot high, this close.
Yeah. So that way, when you aim dead on a little bit further down the road, you can.
You need more black dots on there.
I didn't bring a marker with me. Here, just aim for that one again.
There's nothing in there.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Is that good?